every animal, big or small, like that. With your heart, you show the way, caring for them every day. Animal lover, so very kind. With your love, you make them smile. Animal lover, so kind and true. They feel happy, all thanks to you. From the birds to the fish in the sea, you're the friends they all want to see. With gentle hands and a loving touch,